Hello and welcome. We have a close-up of an Airsoft gun here. I like Airsoft. You can see what this is. Crosman Elite P311, Amazon purchase, less than $15, right around the $10 price range when I purchased it. Price is subject to change. Everything in this video is just my opinion. All right, so I have lots of opinions here. So you know, 12 round, quick release magazine on a gun this inexpensive. That's amazing. I love air guns. This is an airsoft gun, but I love air guns in general, especially like competition style, Olympic style air gun shooting. It's one of those weird things where they have a men and women's division, but I don't feel like they really need that division. Does that make sense? The competitors are so close. Just throw them all together. You don't need a separate men's competition. Just my opinion. All right, what are we looking at here? The Stinger P311. And people always ask me, well, what's a really good, inexpensive way to get into shooting sports like Olympic shooting? So obviously follow laws. There are age restrictions on these things often. So I know in some places, in some jurisdictions, it's 16, some it's 18, depending on where you live. Be sure you're following all your local laws. I can't tell you what your laws are. You need to do that on your own. That's on you. So in my opinion, this is a great way to start out target shooting. It teaches you a lot of things, trigger control, aim, some basic things. Like looking at the sights here, you can see this is very 1911-esque. The safety right here, very 1911 style. The sights as well, they put a little white dot right here, which I like on the front sight. You want some visibility. I want some visibility on my front sight. Wonderful 1911 styled little airsoft gun right here. This is just a close-up real quick. It's all plastic. These screws are even plastic. These are fake screws, and they're plastic. Looking around here, I'm looking for something metal. The barrel, maybe, but I don't see the barrel. Maybe, oh, this pin right here. Ha, I found a metal piece. So there is some metal in this gun. The grip safety doesn't work. This is a non-functioning grip safety. It looks like this is a cocked indicator. It's a spring action. So you're gonna have to cock it every shot. The magazine drops free. Look at that, 12 round magazine right there. It looks very much slender, like a 1911 magazine. Obviously plastic here. That looks like a real screw. Another metal piece right there. Let's look at the follower here. All right, there's our follower, and it comes with a little follower grip right here, so you can pull that down as you load it. You can lock it down here. Yeah, it looks very reasonable. Wow, excellent. Load that up, and then you're good to go. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to enter the fun air gun shooting sports, you know, this is obviously not Olympic caliber. You're not going to be competing with something like this, but it's a good entry level little airsoft gun. Obviously, remember to read the instruction. Crosman P. What does it say right here? Crosman P311, made in China. What do you think of this gun? Is this something that you're interested in? Is this something that you would even consider? What about if you're introducing somebody to shooting? Is this something you would consider as a recommendation for them? I don't know. To me, I'm going to have to shoot it to find out. We're going to do that in a separate video with a little surprise. It's just a little surprise, not a big surprise. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. My name is John Hobby.